Imagine falling into a planet and never reaching the ground. Somehow, this is Jupiter. From far away, it almost looks peaceful. Soft bands of amber and cream wrapping around the giant world like brushstrokes across a canvas. But the closer you get, the more impossible it begins to feel. The storms beneath you are so vast that entire Earths could disappear inside them unnoticed. Its crushing gravity pulls at you long before you ever touch the clouds. And beneath those clouds is a descent unlike anything else in the solar system. The winds become violent. Clouds tower above and below you like endless walls of moving gas. The darkness splits open. Lightning flashes, some bolts larger than Earth itself. For a single instant, Jupiter reveals itself. Vast layers of storm twisting in every direction. And then, darkness again. As you continue your descent, something unsettling begins to sink in. You never seem to get any closer to the ground, because there is no visible ground at all. Only deeper layers of storms unfolding beneath you. What little sunlight is left above grows weaker. The atmosphere around you grows darker, and eventually, you lose all sense of direction. No up, no down, no horizon. No way to tell how far you've fallen. Only the feeling that Jupiter is still pulling you deeper. The winds become more intense. Violent currents moving through the atmosphere at incredible speeds. Cloud layers colliding against one another in endless turbulence. The deeper you fall, the less Jupiter feels like a planet and more like a living storm. Vast walls of cloud, storms inside storms. There is no solid ground beneath your feet, no hidden ocean, no mountain waiting below. Only more atmosphere, more pressure, more descent. At some point, you would stop feeling like you were visiting a world at all. It would feel more like sinking into something endless. The pressure keeps rising, the temperature keeps climbing, and the deeper you go, the stranger Jupiter becomes. Far below the storms, the pressure becomes so immense that hydrogen itself begins to change. Not into a solid surface beneath your feet, but into something almost alien. A vast ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen. A place where electricity may flow through the planet like currents through a living thing. A place where matter behaves in ways we barely understand. Where even the boundaries between liquid and gas begin to disappear. And deeper still, the mystery only grows. For years, scientists believe Jupiter hid a solid core beneath all of this chaos. Something firm, something stable. But newer discoveries suggest something far stranger. The core may not be solid at all. Instead, it may be fuzzy, blurred, mixed into the planet around it, as though even Jupiter's center refuses to fully take shape. And maybe that's what makes Jupiter feel so unsettling. Not just its size, not just the storms, not the darkness, not even the impossible pressure, but the realization that the deeper we look into Jupiter, the less certain everything becomes. No clear boundary between atmosphere and core. No true surface. No final point where the descent finally ends. Only deeper layers. Deeper mystery. Deeper uncertainty. As though Jupiter is not a planet you land on, but one you endlessly fall into.